Hi, I'm Josh Cable in the Counterman Education Center. When it comes to braking systems, there are two significant trends you should know about. More and more vehicles come with an electronic parking brake, and since 2008, some automakers in the United States have been mounting the electronic parking brake on the rear brake caliper. Vehicles equipped with an electronic parking brake, or EPB, automatically engage the parking brake when the transmission is shifted into park or if it detects that a vehicle is on a hill. Some systems also have an automated emergency braking function. If a sensor detects that a crash is imminent, it will send a signal to the brake caliper to assist in stopping the vehicle or to stop the vehicle completely. Some EPB systems have a stepper motor on the back of the caliper that actuates the piston. On the other end of the spectrum, cable-actuated EPB systems use conventional calipers, but a motor replaces the lever or pedal in the cabin. In the automotive aftermarket, the electronic parking brake has led to some confusion for repair shops and parts stores alike, either because there's a misconception that the EPB service mode procedure is too complex for an independent shop to handle, or that the replacement parts aren't available in the aftermarket. That leads to some EPB jobs being sent to dealerships. The reality is the independent aftermarket has the parts and the capability to replace electronic parking brakes. There are several different ways to get the electronic parking brake into service mode depending on the make and model of the vehicle. These days, service information is readily available online from the OEMs and parts providers, and in some cases, the correct procedures to release the parking brake are included in the owner's manual. Let's address the parts misconception. Contrary to popular belief, the motor for the electronic parking brake can be removed from the brake caliper, and aftermarket replacement brake calipers for EPB systems can be purchased separately without the motor. It's also important to note that remanufactured brake calipers are a viable option for your customers. A leading remanufacturer will perform computerized pressure testing using the same machines and parameters that the OEMs use to ensure that the replacement unit has the same fit, form, and function as a new OE unit. And they'll perform OE specification matching on phenolic pistons to ensure proper heat dissipation. With a reman brake caliper, your customer will get everything they need to complete the job, including the bracket, the slides, and the brake pad hardware. And your customer will save some money too. One last thing. Flushing the brake fluid is an essential step in any brake job, so always be sure to recommend brake fluid when you're selling replacement brake calipers. I'm Josh Cable. Thanks for watching.